Hello and welcome to the LP Financial Services Forex training class, Introduction to Fundamental Analysis videos. In this training class, we'll cover the main areas of fundamental analysis as related to the foreign exchange markets. We'll cover four main topics in these lessons. Lesson 1, the determining factors affecting foreign exchange price movements. Lesson 2, the concepts of fundamental analysis. Lesson 3, technical analysis versus fundamental analysis. And Lesson 4, the economic indicators. In Lesson 1, the determining factors affecting foreign exchange price movements, we'll see that the world's currency markets can be considered as a massive melting pot. In a big and changing mix of current events, supply and demand forces are constantly switching, and the cost of one currency in relation to a second shifts accordingly. We will go over the economic factors, political conditions, and market psychology that have determining effects upon the foreign exchange market. In Lesson 2, we will go over the concepts of fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is a method of forecasting future price movements of a financial instrument based upon economic, political, environmental, and other relevant factors, as well as data that will affect the basic supply and demand of the underlying financial instrument. We'll go over the definition of, advantages of, and disadvantages of fundamental analysis. In lesson number 3, we'll compare technical analysis versus fundamental analysis. As we have just seen, fundamental analysis is a method of forecasting the future price movements of a financial instrument based upon economic, political, environmental, and other relevant factors, while technical analysis is a method of forecasting the future price movements of a financial instrument by studying price charts of past market action, which only take into account previous price data. We will go over the main differences of, types of analysts, and the use of combination analysis in developing a trading strategy. In Lesson 4, we'll learn how to use and understand the various economic indicators. We'll go over in depth the major economic indicators such as interest rates, gross domestic product, non-farm payrolls, retail sales, the consumer price index, the producer price index, trade balance figures, industrial production numbers, durable goods orders, new home sales, and existing home sales figures. This will conclude our video of Introduction to Fundamental Analysis. In our next video, we'll begin Lesson 1, the determining factors affecting foreign exchange price movements.